What's the meaning of Arizona? Arizona. Arizona.
Arizona. Arizona. Arizona is a state located in the southwestern region of the United States. The name Arizona comes from the O'odham language and means small spring or place of the small spring. It was originally part of New Mexico until it became a separate territory in 1863. Arizona is known for its desert landscapes, the Grand Canyon, and as a popular destination for winter visitors due to its mild climate. The state capital is Phoenix and the largest city is also Phoenix. The population of Arizona is approximately 7.4 million people as of 2021.